What if I told you there is a simple, affordable solution to fixing, restoring, and rebuilding your credit score and history within 30 to 60 days for only $25? Would you believe me? The Fair Credit Reporting Act laws are really in your favor. This is the knowledge that credit repair companies understand. The problem on this is we are not properly educated about these FCRA laws. Big corporations like Lexington Law and many others hide the credit restoration dispute templates when fixing your credit, simply because it is not as profitable. But we are committed to helping every American possible on the Fair Credit Reporting Act laws and how to use them to remove negative items from your credit history. Using sections 609 and 611, the credit bureaus will be forced to remove items. FCRA credit laws and credit restoration is something everyone should know and understand for themselves. You should be able to challenge discrepancies on your credit report at your leisure. We will provide dispute template letters made by our credit attorneys for repossessions, tax liens, evictions, late payments, student loans, missed payments, inquiries, collections, judgments. Don't let your uninformed past dictate your future. This year we believe we can empower our fellow Americans on credit literacy, giving the people the easy full process to maintaining a credit score of 800 or better. Follow our 3-step process. 1. Choose from our dispute templates, then fill out and print. 2. Go to your local personal bank or notary and get the dispute letters notarized. Third and final step, send the letters off to the credit bureaus. For faster results, send the letters certified mail. And that is if the credit bureaus have 30 days to respond. So what we provide you credit dispute templates that you need to dispute negative items properly. So if you are tired of being denied for loans, or tired of ridiculous high interest rates, we will provide DIY credit dispute template letters from our credit attorneys to remove any and all negatives items listed on your credit report. Also, we will provide an exclusive list of secret ways and techniques to boost your score immediately, like authorized users, trade lines, and more. With this packet, you will have the exact strategy of the Lexington Law and other credit repair companies to follow for guaranteed results. Control your credit score today.